Hello, guys. Who is ready to join this Launchpool project coming up in Bybit Exchange? And it's as if the Launchpool will kick off later on today. So, if you are interested, just get yourself ready, as this looks like it's going to be massive. So, if you want to join the Launchpool, you can easily click on Wi-Fi Center, and this is where you have Wi-Fi Center. Click on it, and right here it opens. Then when you look at the top right end here, you will see Launchpool. So what you do is click on Launchpool, and here there's no available project yet. So you can't really see that from here, but if you want to see that easily, you can go to from Launchpad. Look at the Launchpad here. So click on Launchpad, and you scroll down, click on try. So right here you will see the project. Here it opens very well for you to see. So as you can see, the project is not already open, so it's coming up soon. So just get yourself ready and look at the APY. This looks like it's going to be interesting. 100% APY. So if you want to get yourself ready for this project, for this Launchpool project, kindly fund your wallet, your buy center, your buy fi account, transfer your Bybit from spot wallet to Buy-Fi. So if, let's say, right here you have Bybit. I think I don't have Bybit here. So I have Bybit in derivatives account. So I click on it and I transfer my Bybit balance from derivatives to Buy-Fi. So I click on all, I transfer it. So all the fund has now moved to Buy-Fi account. So if I click on Buy-Fi account up here, if I click here, then you'll be able to see my balance. So look at the balance here. Look at the balance I have. And so if you want to see the assets, you just click on assets, and then can hide zeros, and so it can filter out this noise. And here I have 168. So that's the available Wi-Fi that I have. Sorry, Bybit token that I have. So, and I'm ready to go once the project is ready. Right here. So the reason I didn't see it didn't open very well in Wi-Fi Center could be because the project is not running yet. So get yourself prepared. If you don't have a Bybit account, kindly try to use my referral code to gain a lot of bonuses. So without wasting much of your time, and that will be the update for now. If you are interested, get yourself ready, and see you on the other side.